Hi friends, this video shows how to use nearby share with quick share. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So in this video I am going to send one file using nearby share and receive that file using quick share. So first, in this mobile phone, let me open my files, then go to photos, then go to downloads, then select one photo, then tap on send. Then here we have to select share via nearby share. Tap here. We can see it's looking for nearby devices. So now we can, in second phone, we can open settings, then search for quick share, then open quick share, tap on quick share, and here you can see who can share with you. Tap here. So here we have to select everyone, then tap on done, and this is a phone name. So this name, see, now that has displayed here. That means this phone has detected this Samsung Galaxy phone. You can tap on this phone name, then here we have to accept. Now we can open this image. See, now I have successfully sent one photo using quick share and received it using sent using nearby share and received using quick share. Okay, so let me try Ulta. So next I am going to send one file using quick share and receive using nearby share. Okay, let me start. So here in this phone, let me open my files app, then go to images. So let me select one image, then tap on share, then tap on quick share. So I am going to send this photo using quick share. You can see it's searching for nearby device. Then go to the second phone. So here tap on the settings, then search for nearby share, open this nearby share, then enable this option, device visibility. Enable it. You can note the device name Ankita's phone, then tap on device visibility. Then here we have to select everyone. Okay, then go back. You can see this phone has detected this device which is using nearby share. So let me select this phone name, then here we have to accept. Done. See, now we can see that image here. So now I have successfully transferred that image using quick share and received that image in this phone using nearby share. Okay, so this way we can use nearby share with quick share. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.